For people today, we got a Lego set. Ow. It's already opened. Tractor. We built a tractor today. Not feeling good, so I thought let's put some Legos. So yeah, we got the tires. These tires are cool. I'm gonna put this aside because bag 2 gets opened second. Why is there only 2 tires? I feel like there should be 4. Oh, they're in there. Cool. So we got the bucket here. Look at that, Mom. Bucket. Noise. And then we got bag 1 that we're gonna dump into this little thing. Okay, we got instructions. Oh. So let's get this building. So we need a long piece.
I'm changing who I am. I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life, and I won't look back ever again. You ain't see me activated. You better hope that you never see me agitated. I think about my actions, plan them out, evaluated. That's how I end up on the top, man, I'm calculated. My mind's a weapon, my body is the engine. I'm never second guessing, I just do what I was destined. Cause I feel I got the blessing, persistence and obsession. That's how you keep progressing, I already learned that lesson, yeah. I'm changing who I am. I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life, and I won't look back ever again. You can't stop what's moving. You can't.
Alright, so we got a bucket in. It goes up and down. Now we're putting the tires on. The most favorite part. Insert them. Real quick. There's that. There's this. It's way easier than the monster truck. Cool. And the last tire. Okay. All right. Now I gotta put the back ones on. Holy cow, Mom! Holy cow! This thing could lift a cow. Now we gotta put the front ones on. And there we go! Our tractor's all done! That thing is nice and cool. Thanks for watching, everyone. Here's the tractor. The bucket goes up, goes down. We got a little brisket right here. It can lift and then pull it up. Oh, see you in the next video.